Hello from Tokyo. Today I'd like to make a Kanzashi flower round petal. We call it marutsumami in Japanese. Okay, then let's make it. For preparation, you need bond. Please use smooth and light bond. I don't want the bond to dry so quick, so please use soft one. Okay, and next, tweezers. Please use long and smooth and light one. It's good. And wet towel to wipe the tweezers, and toothpick to put the bond, and waterproof paper. I always use milk cotton box paper, but anything okay to put the bond on. Okay, let's make it. First, pick one piece of square-shaped cloth, fold in half, match corners, make triangle, make a crease here, and fold again, pinch a little bit up from the center, and fold, match corners here, make triangle again, make a crease, and then pinch a little bit up from the center again, and now raise both corners up like this, so that three corners match here. Pinch with your finger, pull the tweezers, and then you pinch and push here. Pinch and push, so that you can make a pit. Okay, and hold under and align. Now put just a little bit bond on the edge like this, and then hold with your finger maybe 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Make a crease at the bottom. Okay, now ta-da! Made one piece of petal. Okay, maybe one more. I make it. Fold in half, match corners again, pinch a little bit up, fold in again, make triangle, and raise from the both sides, pinch a little bit up, raise, readjust, raise, and pinch. Pull the tweezers, make a pit, and pinch again, put the bond on the edge, and hold maybe 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and make a crease at the bottom side. Okay, then in the next video we'll make a flower. Okay, thank you for watching. See you. Bye.